Right. Okay. So, students, welcome to this lecture. We will discuss stereochemistry. So, it is a very important part of chemistry. We study this exclusively in organic chemistry, but it is a very special topic in inorganic chemistry also. Stereochemistry itself, we can say it is a branch of chemistry. Okay. So, what we can write? It is the branch of chemistry. It is the branch of chemistry. Okay. Which branch of chemistry which is based on the properties of molecule, the properties of which is based on the properties of molecule. It's a very important point in the three-dimensional structure. So it is a simple idea of stereochemistry. Okay. The word stereo means what we can say stereo. It means solid or fixed. We know solid is a fixed thing. The word stereo came from the which means what? Solid, fixed. Okay. For example, the human hand. Human hand are fixed. Okay. Left hand, right hand, it is already named. But we can orient these in different direction. So directions with orientation is called as stereo. Okay. So what is again the best idea? What is stereochemistry? It is a study of we can say study of different three-dimensional study of different three-dimensional structural arrangement, structure or structural arrangement. Structure or structural arrangement of a molecule. In space. Or it means space also. Stereo means space. This is the definition of stereochemistry. Again, we will understand this idea. But you see, ये समझने के लिए आपको बहुत स्ट्रॉन्ग इमेजिन मेंटल प्रिपरेशन जरूरी है. To understand the stereochemistry, mental preparation is must. Mental ability is very important. Otherwise, we will not able to understand this idea. Okay, fine. Now, generally we see molecule in two form only, in two dimension only. So when I wanted methane, so it is methane. Yes, fine. Yes. It's a two dimension. You see, 1 2 1 2 1. So to understand this molecule in two dimension, there is no need to worry about anything. Just you write left, right, up, down. That's all. Left, right, up, down. But when we are talking about stereochemistry, imagination is very much important. Very much important is imagination is very much important. ये समझने के लिए आपको इमेजिन करना पड़ेगा कि जिस तरह हम मूवी देखते हैं, मूवी जो देखते हैं या कोई पिक्चर देखते हैं जो 3 डायमेंशनल पिक्चर होता है, बहुत सारे पिक्चर मीन्स पेंटिंग्स होते हैं 3 डायमेंशन। उसमें जिस तरह इमेजिनेशन करते हैं कि someone is standing in the door of that house, particular house, और उस डोर के पीछे यानी घर में कुछ लोग बैठे हुए हैं, सो वो हमको इजीली समझ में आता है। सिमिलरली we have to understand about stereochemistry. Okay, the word stereo also came from the word stereo also came from this 3-dimension idea, and that is also from study of the molecule in 3-dimensional way. Okay, इसी में जो मोस्ट इंपोर्टेंट पार्ट है वो आइसोमेरिज्म. The word is what? Isomerism. This is the first step when we are commencing our discussion, our study towards stereochemistry. जब हम stereochemistry पढ़ना चाहते हैं, जो पहला हमको फेस, जो फर्स्ट स्टेप है, जो पहला हमको टर्म फेस होता है, वो है आइसोमेरिज्म. What is isomerism? वही आइसोमेरिज्म की डेफिनेशन वही है जो स्टीरियोकेमिस्ट्री में हमने लिखा है, लेकिन ये बहुत वाइड आइडिया है. आइसोमेरिज्म इज व्हाट? Isomerism means the method of the phenomena in which, ऐसा लिखते हैं, the phenomena in which the phenomena in which two or more structures can be drawn from only one formula. The phenomena, it is a phenomenon in which two or more structure can be drawn from one formula. Okay. The phenomenon in which two or more structure can be drawn from one formula, from only one formula. Two or more condition क्या है? Two or more structure, otherwise that will not be as. For example, next point, the structures are called as the structures जो स्ट्रक्चर हमने ड्रॉ किए हैं are called as the structures are called as isomers. This is what the isomerism definition. हम इसको समझते हैं. What is the meaning of this? Now see, you say example. Let us take one example. See, this is the formula, right? Okay, let's say the simplest one. C4H10 is the formula. So only one formula. Can you imagine what should be this one? We cannot give the name to the formula. वही का मेंटल एबिलिटी होना चाहिए हमको. अभी इसको नाम नहीं देना है. यू जस्ट ड्रॉ द स्ट्रक्चर फर्स्ट ड्रॉ द स्ट्रक्चर. तो जैसा आप एक्सपेक्ट कर रहे हैं वैसे मैं ड्रॉ कर रहा हूं. So 4 carbon I will write 1, 2, 3, 4. I know the valency of carbon is 4, so remaining valency will be satisfied by hydrogen. So 3 hydrogen here, so it becomes CH3. It becomes CH2. It becomes CH2. So what is this now? It is butane. It is butane. So this is not butane. Remember, we have a clear cut idea. This is not butane. This is butane. This is just formula. Only formula. Now another possibility is what? I will draw here. What I will do, instead of writing 3 carbon in a chain, 4, I will write 3, and fourth one I will write here. So fulfill the valency. Now they are not same. Their formula is same. So what is this? This is the, what is the name? Butane. It is 1, 2, 3. 2-methyl propane. 2-methyl propane. Names are totally different. Butane and propane. 2-methyl propane. Formula is same. Structures are different. Therefore, we can say this is structure A. This is structure B. A and B are A and B are isomers of each other. Isomers of each other. तो ऐसा हम कितने मॉलिक्यूल के साथ कर सकते हैं और कैसी बात कर सकते हैं? तो टोटल जो हम कर सकते हैं वो 2 टाइम्स कर सकते हैं, 2 टाइप्स में. फिर हर टाइप की फर्दर डिवीजन है. दैट इज द कॉल्ड एज अ क्लासिफिकेशन ऑफ आइसोमेरिज्म. तो हम वो पॉइंट लेंगे अभी, क्लासिफिकेशन ऑफ आइसोमेरिज्म. फाइन. So to understand this, we'll go for the classification of isomerism. Okay, right. Now, you write this isomerism. Isomerism. It is of 2 types. Isomerism of 2 types. Structural isomerism. Structural isomerism. And another is stereoisomerism. Structural isomerism and stereoisomerism. ठीक है. Or we can say, if you say this is isomer, suppose, so structural isomers और ये मिलेगा stereoisomers. ओके, हम इसको एक्टिव फॉर्म में अगर लेते हैं, stereoisomers, structural isomers. फाइन, राइट. नाउ ये जो स्ट्रक्चरल आइसोमर्स है, this is further of few important types. What are these types? Number 1, chain isomers. Number 2, position isomers. Number 3, functional group isomers. Okay, chain isomers, position isomers, functional group isomers, tautomers. ये आपको नहीं है अभी, लेकिन जस्ट आइडिया रखना चाहिए. tautomers, metamers, these are the structural isomers, but our study is not about this. We have to focus here. Stereoisomers are of now. Stereoisomers are of two types. What are the stereoisomers? Now very important. Configurational. Configurational and second one is conformational. Configurational and conformational. These are the two types of isomers. We will discuss them now. Your syllabus containing these two isomers, configurational and conformational. If you go through your syllabus, अगर आप syllabus का देखते हो, ऐसा दिया है उसने, configurational दिया है और second part में conformational दिया है. ठीक है. Then, but conformational का एक ही type है कि this configuration is further into two types. This configurational further divided into configurational, okay, configurational isomers, conformational isomers. This is called optical isomers, and another is called as geometrical isomers. I hope you have understand so far this simple idea how the stereochemistry having the first step about this idea isomers. Isomers are of two types: structural isomers, stereoisomers. Structure of then 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Chain, position, function group, tautomerism, and tautomers and metamers. Stereo is two types: configurational, conformational. Configuration again further divided into optical and geometrical. Conformational is only one type, and then we'll go for its discussion. So I think all of you understand so far what we have learned. Configurational and conformational isomers. Okay, so fine. Okay, no need to worry. हम इसको एक शॉर्टकट में ले लेते हैं. इस लेक्चर में हम इंट्रोडक्शन की बात हो रही है, so we'll go for simple idea of this discussion. What is the meaning of structural isomers? First of all, first point is what? Structural isomers. Structural isomers, ये फिक्स डेफिनेशन आपको याद होना चाहिए. Structural isomers. What is the meaning of structural isomers? So, what I say, I will write very specific, very particular definition, very particular words I am going to use. Now see what I am writing. Because we have learned this everything in the basic, in the right from the middle, junior college student, undergraduate. Okay, now see. What is the meaning of structural isomers? Okay. Isomers means isomers have with the same molecular formula. What is structural isomers? Molecule with same molecular formula, MF, molecular formula. But see here. But different connectivity. That's it. इसका मीनिंग समझना है. Isomers with the same molecular formula, but different connectivities is called as structural isomers. For example, हमने जो देखा है इसका पहला टाइप chain isomers. Chain isomers, we will discuss this in short form. What is the meaning of chain isomers? Chain isomers means two or more structures. See what is CC? What is the meaning? Two or more structures. दो या दो से ज्यादा structures. Two or more structures from one molecular formula. Two or more structures from one molecular formula. Okay, from one molecular formula. Two or more structures from one molecular formula, which are differ in number of carbon in the chain. See, try to understand this concept. Two or more structures which are differ from each other in number of chains. See, for example, one formula, C4H10. So मैंने क्या किया इसका? Now see, this is 4 carbon in the chain and 3 carbon in the chain. Both have the same formula, but what is the name? Butane. 2-methyl butane. 2-methyl butane, right? Yes. So what is the difference? Difference in the chain. You see, here there are 4 carbon in the chain. Here there are 3 carbon in the chain. 4th is outside the chain. What is the meaning of position isomers? Position isomers. Example, you see C4H8. I will draw this structure. Now see. This is what butanene. Any objection? Overruled. Butanene. You must have idea. All of you must have idea of nomenclature also. If not, then get ready. Be ready for extra lectures. But I don't think so you are ready for extra lectures.